Hello, welcome back again to another session of Autocad 3D Advanced Practice Drawing. Okay, today we are going to make this 3D DNA strand. So we are going to draw this DNA strand in 3D. It's not going to take too much, it's very simple. It's just to follow some procedures and you get it done. So without wasting time, let's go and do it. And let me just use this time to thank those that have subscribed to my channel. I said that you should just stay tuned and follow the lessons and you get this lesson done. So let's go to AutoCAD. To get started, I'm going to change this my working space to 3D modeling. Okay, now I'm going to turn off this grid line so that my environment will be clean. Okay, now I'm here. So I will start with helix tool. So I'm going to come here, expand this panel, just expand this draw panel, and you see this helix. You click on it, then you pick any point on the drawing space. When you pick any point, you type R to stand for radius. R, radius 5, enter 5 units. Then that is the bottom radius. Now you enter another 5 for top radius, and then you specify number of turn here, turns. You put only one. We need only one turn, and you specify turn height. You put 30 as turn height. Now you are seeing the plan view. So it looks like a circle, but it's not. So let's click on the home icon to view the helix. So this is what we are going to make use of. So at this point, you pick a line tool. I'm going to turn on my object snap. Then you click at this point. You use your x-axis. You use this axis. Let me turn on my auto mode. I'm going this axis, right? So I'm going to type unit of 10, enter. I will have this, right? Okay, at this point, let me make a circle of radius 1. So I'll put R1, another circle of radius 0.5. Just circle that 0.5, and you can copy this first one here to another place, and you have two of it. Yeah, so at this point we are going to sweep the small circle onto this line. So you go to sweep to you expand it, and you see sweep. You click on it, you click on the circle, the small circle, enter, and then you click on this line, and it's done. So at this point we are going to make multiple of this particular 3D object now. So you go to this modify panel, you expand this array path, and you click on path array. When you click on path array, you select on this 3D object, press enter. You now select on this helical object, and at this point you come to where you have measure here. You select divide, right? When you select divide, you now enter the number of items, say 18 here. Let's put 18, and you can click anywhere you have this. Then you can now close the array. So at this point we are going to draw a line to pass through each of these 3D objects. So you pick spline tool here, and at this point you click on the method here where you have method, and after that you click on CV. Then when you click on CV, now you start drawing the line. So we have to be rotating this object so that we will follow the path very well. So yeah, so I'm going to pick the center here, join to this point, join to this point, and you have to rotate it so that you will not join on the wrong path. Okay, so I'm going to follow it like that. I will join here, join here, join here. Okay, join here. So let's keep rotating so that it will not make mistake. Okay, you can see this. So I will join here, here, here. Let's keep rotating. Okay, I can see that. So I will join here, 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 here. Let's rotate and see that if that is correct. Okay, we have got that one wrong. So that particular one is wrong. So I'm going to press Ctrl Z. Okay, so I'll click here, click here, click here, and here. Alright, so let's keep rotating. Okay, that is right. So I'll click here, here. Let's rotate and see that if that is correct. Okay, I think I have gone to the end. I think that is correct. When you are done, press enter and you have this. Okay, so let's go back home. Okay, let's hope that is correct. If it's not correct, we are going to amend it. Okay, at this point I'm going to sweep again. So you click on sweep tool, sweep, you click on one of these circles, enter, and you click this helical line. We are done with that one. You repeat the command, click on the circle, enter, and you click on the other one. That is done. To see this clearly, let's change the visual style to shaded, and here we have it. So let's check if our drawing is in order. Okay, so here we have 3D DNA strand. Okay, so to make this look precise, you can delete the last two. Yes, and then we have this. Okay, let's go back home. So we have this 3D DNA strand. As simple as that. Let's look at the original drawing. Okay, so we have done what we needed to do. So today, this is where we are going to stop. Please, if you have not subscribed, subscribe, because other drawings are coming. We are going to do so many things. I keep saying it's not just about AutoCAD. So don't subscribe and say you don't have business with AutoCAD. Just subscribe so that you will not miss. It's better you just subscribe now and wait. When the other lessons are coming in other fields or other packages like Excel, Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, Autocad, product structure, Orion, CSC Orion, and all those things, so that you will not miss it. It's better you just subscribe. You will not lose anything in subscribing, and then just wait. Okay, once I'm done with AutoCAD, I will move on to another lesson. Bye.